Is your Alexa volume too quiet even when it's turned all the way up? This can happen because of wrong volume settings, connection problems, or small glitches. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix low sound on your Alexa step by step. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Check the volume level on your Alexa device. The easiest way is to simply ask Alexa to increase the volume. Say, "Alexa, volume up," or any number between 1 to 10. Or press the plus button to increase the volume. Solution 2. Check the volume level in the Alexa app. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb icon. Select your Alexa device from here. Now here you'll see a volume slider. Drag it to the right to increase the volume. Solution 3. Check for adaptive volume. Go to the Alexa app again. Now tap on the More icon, then tap Settings. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Voice Response. Toggle the adaptive volume on or off according to your preference. And here, make sure the whisper mode is turned off. That's how you fix low sound problems on your Alexa device. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.